ngayon, ma'am, ano yung pinaka nagiging concern nyo? Bakit kayo napupunta sa ating clinic?
Mostly dito sa
Upper extremities? Here?
And syempre, lower back.
Okay. Good evening, Rock Nation. I'm Aster, your PT on the go, and I'm a chiropractic specialist. Now, kasama natin sa clinic si Ma'am
Dre,
Ma'am Dre. Okay, so ilan taon na po kayo?
42.
Okay, parang di naman ah.
Parang
Okay, so ngayon ma'am, ano yung pinaka nagiging concern nyo? Bakit kayo napupunta sa ating clinic?
mostly dito sa
Upper extremities? Here?
And syempre, lower back.
Okay, so more on sa computer kayo nakaharap? Okay, so
Siguro,
slouching?
most of the day. As in like, seated, tapos din may...
Sige, magkakaroon tayong recommendation later on ng stretching
Okay,
while
perfect.
working. Okay?
Like that.
Every
so I could teach that to other
So, para at least ma-maintain nyo yung maayos na pakiramdam at maiwasan nyo yung mga ganitong nararamdaman. Alright?
Okay.
Sige. Ngayon, magkakaroon naman po tayo ng physical examination.
Okay.
Ready na po kayo?
Alright.
Posture up. Yan. Turn to your left. Yan. Sagad. Good. And then right. How is it? May
Okay
masikip or something?
Parang mas
Right.
sagad ako dito.
Oo.
Pero dito medyo parang
limited. Okay, sige. Tingala. Yan. Oh, very good naman. Okay? Sige. Yung range of motion, extension sa ating 45 degrees. Kamusta yung tension here?
Wala namang masakit.
Very nice.
Pero pag nagganon ako, masakit.
Sa banda?
Here.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay? Sa left. Tingnan natin. Ganun ka.
Okay.
Turn sa left. How's it? Here. Okay.
Yes.
Sige. Yoko. This one. Turn and push it. 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 Good. How is it? Walang tension, pain right here?
Wala
Walang
naman.
connection?
Wala naman.
Very good. Tignan natin ngayon. So, ito na yung pinaka nangyayari with our joints, okay, and muscle extremities that wear and tear na tinatawag.
Okay.
Ayan. So, ito naman ay very minimal lang sa kung ano yung nagiging kondisyon mo. Kasi, andun pa naman yung mga movements. Alright? Sige, tignan natin yung traps muscles. Ganito po kayo. All the way up. Tikit sa tenga.
Ay, yan ang masakit.
Sa banda.
Here.
Alright? Sa left.
So
Okay.
parang I
Tight ba
feel
or
something here.
umaangat? Sige, down. Mula sa
Kasi
harap.
parang may something dito.
Okay.
Okay.
Sige, mula sa harap. All the way up, lagpas sa tenga. Lagpas. Yan, how is it?
May something.
Here, sa rhomboid to lateral. Here. Hanggang dito.
Yan.
Down.
Yan. Pero talagang may something. Parang may...
Sa left.
Oo.
Okay.
Tolerable. Kaya ko siyang tiisin.
Pero merong something
Pero
else.
may... Yeah.
Okay, sige. Here, lateral muscles, work. Here, twist. Ayun. Oh, almost. Here.
Masakit nga ito.
Here. Nagka-cramps?
Parang gano'n.
Papunta na. Okay. Sige, kabila po. Yan. Ang normal is about here. Medyo tight na. Kabila rin.
Yeah.
Mukhang hindi na siya normal. The pivot itself ng ating spine, hindi na nasusuportahan ng muscles dahil sobrang
Dikit.
compressed. Let's
Okay.
stand up. Okay? This one. Bend. Back bend.
Back bend.
Wow! Nice one. Up.
Okay.
How is it?
Okay lang.
Very good. Okay.
Oh, I can bend eh.
Wow. O, sige, mula sa harap, forward bend. Okay?
Bend.
Very good. Tignan natin yung buong structure ng inyong spine, okay? Up ng konti. Okay. Sige, yoko. Curve. Yun. Good one. So, right here, we have misalignment. Here. Lumbar 2 and number 1 junction. Here. Up ng konti. Yan. Sige, curve. Good. So, we have here sa thoracic, medyo mataas po ito, mababa ito. Okay? Misalignment. But you don't have special concern, tinatawag na mild scoliosis.
Okay.
Okay? So, pero itong misalignment na ito, kahit konting movement lang ito, ay malaking cause na sa ating mga muscle support.
Yeah.
Kaya nagkakaroon ng ganyang pakiramdam. O, sige,
Sa taas.
ito po ng konti. Upper. So, right here. This one. Ito naman yung mataas this time. Ito yung mababa. Okay? So, ito.
Lagi ko itong
pantay.
nadadagan.
Lumalabas na yung inyong scapula or shoulder blade. Dahil, lagi kayo dito,
Nakahiga.
nakahiga sa left. Sige. Up. Tingnan natin yung shoulders ninyo. Pantay naman. Okay? Ang problema lang, kapag ka ito ay lagi natin dadaganan, or right here, or right here, nakaganyan, or
Yeah.
nakaganito.
Yeah.
Okay? Here, lalong lumalabas yung shoulder blade natin.
Okay.
Right there.
Okay.
Overstretch. Muscle, scapular muscles.
Yeah, kaya pala.
May something else. Okay, sige. Sit down.
Okay.
So, yun yung pinaka nagiging main root concern.
Okay.
Root cause of your pakiramdam or concern. Ayan. So, lahat ng mga misalignment like this one, ito yung normal, di ba? Konting misalign lang yan or twisting. Ayan. Malaking cause yan sa lahat ng muscle support.
Yeah,
Okay,
actually, pag
nagkakaroon
yung, pag ganyan nga, parang mas comfortable pa here kaysa here.
dito, medyo tight na. Okay.
Tight, yeah.
Sige, ayusin natin lahat ng yan.
Okay.
Balik natin. Kumbaga, resetting and recovery. Okay?
Alright.
Resetting those misalignment or deformations, especially our spine. Ayan. Tapos, recovery ng muscles. Ngayon, focus tayo sa iyong concern, which is your shoulder. Okay? Tapos, yung traps, upper extremities. Okay? Sige, ngayon, dadapa tayo. So, first, una nating i-check, which is our iliac crest and pelvis and sacroiliac joint movements. Alright? Taas po ito. Yan, go up. Mabigat o hindi? Medyo mabigat. Okay. Sige. May ngalay dito sa lower?
Kinda.
Kind. Okay.
Not so,
Here? Not so. Okay. Go up.
Mas mabigat.
Mas mabigat yung left. Okay. Sige. Ano nating i-adjust or i-release the tension with our iliac crest right here. Push it. Right here. Alright. Here. Ready. Hinga. Exhale. Good one. Nice. Okay. Very clear. And then here. Inhale. Exhale. Nice one. Alright. Hinga. Exhale. Very nice.
Oo, sarap na.
Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Relax na ito. Good one. Nice one. Here. Good.
Sarap.
This is for your quads. Here. And then right here. Inhale. Exhale. Let it out. Last one. Nice one here. Clear. Good. Now, okay. Next, ating sacroiliac joint. Okay? Sa ating sacrum or coccyx sa tinatawag. Okay? Ang gagawin niyo po ay itataas niyo yung dalawang paa. Okay? Diretso yung tuhod. Engage yung putan. Okay? Ready? Go up. Dalawang paa. Good. Sige.
Oh.
Nice. Alright. That was it.
Ooh.
Meron ba? Wala.
May nabanat.
Alright, next sa ating ribs. So first is here, this one. I'll pull this up and push this one. Inhale. Exhale. Clear. Inhale. Exhale. Nice one. Inhale again. Exhale. Clear. Last one. Down, down, down. Nice one. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Nice one. Inhale again. Exhale. Here. Inhale. Exhale. Last two. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Upper. Down, down, down. Okay. Clear. Good. More of left now. Here. This is a rib out. Here. Rib joint. Right there. Okay. Here. Relax the shoulder. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Right there. Good one. Alright. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, so ito very clear. Okay? Next is our 6 and 5 or junction ng number 1. Thoracic. Push this up. Yan. Para mo ko nito. Yep. Relax ang shoulder. Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Nice. Good one. Push this up. Good. Here. Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good one. Nice. Lower side. Yes. Ang gagawin naman natin this time, i-check natin ulit. So, ngayon, ito. Taas. Go up. Wow. Mas light. Kabila. Nice one.
yeah, same.
So, hindi lang dahil saan? Sa iyong taba. Okay? Kundi dahil sa blocking ng pinaka-rotation and movement ng ating mga joints. Pelvis, sacroiliac joint, and rotation ng lumbar 5. So, ngayon, sisit down na tayo. Yan. Peram ako ng batok. Okay. Up. Yan. Sige, wait. Ako muna. Yan. Yuko. Good. Tapos, hawak sa aking kamay. Ibaba ang siko. Yan. Sige. Hinga malalim. Exhale. Nice one. Yan yung malalim na part. So, now, higa. Ihaya. Now, dito tayo sa iyong paa. Lower extremities. Dito na tayo. Nice one. Nice. Okay? So, maraming areas dito sa paa. Hindi lang yun. Ano? First is our metatarsal. Here.
Amen.
Good. And lower metatarsal here. Good one. Clear. Okay? Navicular bone. This one. Clear. Next, the talus bone here. Relax. Good. Clear. Good one. And then for your cuboid bone right there. Relax. Turn in. Up. Relax yung legs. Here. Good one.
Oh my God!
Nice one.
Parang may natanggal dito sa...
Yes. So,
Ooh.
that's connected for your inner hip.
Okay.
For balakang. Next, dito sa ating heel. And then, turn up. Good. Twist, turn in. Good one. Nice
Oh.
one.
Whew. I'm perfect.
Good. Next,
Okay,
ito
game.
na ulit. Metatarsal.
And then,
Upper side, here. Good one. Clear. Nice, clear one. Okay? Good. Ganda ng point, ha? Very nice. Here. Upper. Clear. Down. Okay? Here. So, dahil maganda yung point mo, ang pinaka compromise, which is our cuboid bone, upper side, right there. Twist, turn in. Upper. Good one.
oh!
Nice. That's for your cuboid.
Okay.
Okay? Any pain?
Ooh.
Good. Here. This one. Heel. Turn in. Relax. Nice one. And then sa iyong balakang, sa tuhod ba, merong nagbabother sa'yo? When upstairs, downstairs?
Wala naman.
Yan. Good. Relax ito.
Oh.
Relax there. Good.
Oh. Okay.
Next is our sacroiliac joint, lumbar 5 and 4. Yan, ganyan. Kayang-kaya pa. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Again, huwag magtitira ng hangin sa tiyan. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Huwag magtitira. Good. Nice. Here.
Ooh.
Inhale. Exhale. Alright.
Oh. Oh.
This one. Yan. This one. Here. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Nice. Good one. Oh, very good with your carpal bones. So, nothing here.
Hindi matigas.
Release lang natin.
Okay. Oh.
Nice. Here. Clear. Last one here. Okay. Elbow. Clear. Nice one.
Yun na.
Nice one here. Good one. Clear one. Nice one.
Hmm.
Twisting. Relax. Upper, 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 upper. Clear.
Oh.
Tumutunog. That's your carpal bones. Okay? 8 pieces of bones. Maliliit sa wrist. Release natin yung tension para walang tumutunog at hindi mag-lead sa carpal tunnel syndrome. Okay?
Kala ko nga left ang may candidate ko eh.
Yes, one. Good. Good. Middle. Nice one. Last one here. Okay. Upper. Clear. Good. Push it. Alright. Elbow. Clear. Nice one. Clear one. Nice one. Good.
Yeah.
Now, let's see again.
Mhm.
Kung meron pang tumutunog. See this one?
Yeah, kanina ko pa na ano. Like right after nung na-release.
Nice. So now, pipindutin natin yung ating trigger points. Okay? This one. Here. How's this? Cervical one. Okay? No. 2,
No.
3,
Wala naman.
4, and 5.
Wala naman.
Very nice. Good. Number 1 right here. 2,
Wala naman.
3,
Wala naman.
4, and 5. Good. So, please check natin yung pinaka-rotation. Very loose, very clear. Right side. Okay? Here. Chin up. Relax ang shoulder. Yan. Good. Pwesto natin ng maayos. This is your cervical number 3. Push it here. Yan. Inhale. Exhale. Good one.
Oh, wow.
Here. Cervical number 1 tayo. Here. Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good one. Okay, so ito I'm more off. Clear. But you have something else, decompression. With this one. Cervical spine. Okay? Here. Okay? So this is the decompression. Here. This one, bite your teeth. Yan. Close your mouth. Bite your teeth. Inhale sa ilong. Exhale sa ilong. Relax the shoulder. Bounce it. Good one. Nice.
Oh my God.
Super dami.
Oh.
So ngayon, magpo-focus na tayo sa iyong muscle recovery. Right there. This is the trap.
Yeah, that one.
Hindi pa yan. Dadalhin pa natin ito sa ating levator muscles. That's it.
Oh no.
Here. This is your levator muscle. How is it? How is it? Ready? Go up. Nice. Sideward down. Good opening ng traps. Good one. Next, close fist. Tigasan ng muscles, tigasan ng shoulders. Ready? Go up. Matigas. Labanan ng aking pagpindot. Downside. Good one. Alright. Nice. Okay? Ganun kabilis. Depende sa situation or concern ng muscles. Kapag merong nuts and knuckle muscles, mas matagal. Ang pinaka-maximum natin na strike or hagod is 8 or 10 times maximum lang. with proper movement.
Okay.
Ganun lang katagal dapat para at least mabawasan natin or maiwasan pala. Maiwasan natin yung soreness or bugbog ng muscles. Up ang kamay. Sideward down. Opening ng traps. Downside. Very nice. Good.
Pero pang mas bukol to kaysa sa
Close
kabila.
fist. Go up. Sideward down. Nice one. Alright, ganun lang kabilis. May depende sa sitwasyon ng muscles. Okay? So at least wala namang pain doon sa pinaka pinush natin at trigger points. Now, sit down. So far, kamusta?
Yeah.
Any difference?
Mas magaang ako ngayon. I feel like lighter.
So ngayon, shoulders na tayo. Rotator
Okay.
cuff at acromion clavicular joint.
Okay.
Hawak sa bewang. So ipupush kita forward.
Okay.
Pigilan mo ako.
Okay.
Okay? Sige. Ready? Push it. Good. Very firm. Go. Push it. Very firm. Good.
Okay.
And then, here. Relax. Loosen up. Turn in. Yan. Para sa ating acromion clavicular joint upper. Nice one.
Mm-hmm.
Here. Last one up. Good one. Okay? Now, yuko. Okay? Yuko. Loosen up. Good one. Clear.
Yeah. Yun. May pain doon.
Yun yung masakit.
Oo, yeah.
Let's see. Here. Okay. I will push this one.
Okay.
How's this? Nothing?
Nothing.
Here. Here. Upper. Okay. Good one.
Yan.
Okay, twist it.
Mga nadaga na yun. Ah. Yan.
This one. Here. Upper. Twist it. Good one. Okay, clear. Twist it. Yuko. Yan. Clear. Shake it. Yan. Sa kabila tayo. Here. Relax. Loosen up. Nice. Good one. Ayan. Kasama na yung ating shoulder blade. Last one. Here.
Walang masakit dito. Ito talaga meron eh. Naipit siguro.
Rotation. Very good. Motion. Very clear.
Yun. Yan.
Hawak sa likod. Yan. Okay. I will press this one. Push it. Very good. Press it. Good. Push it. Nice one. Good one. Okay. Last one. Good. Alright.
Oh.
Relax. Sige, hawak sa bewang again. Yeah, this one. Ready. Push it. Relax. Sige, go. Pigil. Lakas. Good. Okay, last one. Pigil.
Okay.
Lakas. Very nice. Ganun lang. Sige. Alright?
Good.
Sige. Ngayon ay magkakaroon tayo ng physical examination.
Okay,
again.
ulit.
Last one, before and after. Posture up. Turn to your left. Turn to your right. How is it now?
Pantay.
Good. Tingala. Good one. Okay? Yuko. Push it. Yan. Kamusta ito? Yan. Kamusta yan? Good?
No, I don't feel anything na
Nice.
nagbabother sa akin.
Ngayon, shoulders. Kanina, sige, up. Likod sa tenga. How is it now?
This is a lot way better.
Mas maluwag, mas magaan.
maluwag, mas magaan.
Good. Sige, down. Mula sa harap. All the way up. Lagpas sa tenga. How is it now?
Mas
Very loose.
Yes.
Wala nang something else or right,
And-
left. Good. And then, lateral support. Go. Twist. How is it? Kabila. Good. Nice one. Hindi lang dahil sa katawan
Taba.
natin. So, yung pivot ng ating rotation ng spine itself. Okay,
Parang
kung
nag-green.
saan. Kailangan maging mas maayos yung spacing or yung alignment nito.
Yan, hindi
Para
nakakompress.
maging mas maayos yung range of motion. Good. Nice one. Picture tayo.
Okay.
Ayan.